my god, guys. I'm going to take the life of my hair today, and it's just going to be such an experiment. I am not very sure what is going to happen. Let's just see. So welcome to this channel. My name is Tanisha. In case you're seeing this face for the very first time, do not forget to leave this video without subscribing, without pressing that bell icon. Obviously I post on every alternate day, so there is going to be a lot of content for you guys to binge on. Life is all about taking risk and we are going to take a risk today. But don't worry, because I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube, like a lot of videos. Like I've seen professional videos how they do it, and you can definitely look at this video and do it yourself at home as well, because I know बहुत लोग करते हैं ये घर में. It's not a very big deal, but still obviously it's your hair. And so all that we will be needing this time is going to be a brush, like a normal hair brush, scissors obviously, and then some comb, and sort of like thin combs if possible. So this is like a very small tiny comb with very minute teeth. So this one is also that, and this one is also that, so we can use either of that. And now when it comes to where do you start your bangs, is that, for example, I have quite dense hair, so I don't want my bangs to be very dense, otherwise it is going to be very difficult to style them up. So the more dense, the more volume you want, the further you start. Then you should start from here, like almost take a very big chunk portion. If you don't want very heavy ones, you should start from somewhere in the front itself. So that's what I'm going to do. Trick with this one is that you start it over here. If I started right over here, and then from here you take this side, the edge of your eyebrows, and then you go straight from here, from your eyebrows to here, and that is the portion that you want to take. So this is the portion that I would like to take. This is the portion that I'm going to take. So it is going to come like this, and then it is going to come like this. Is a sort of a V that I'm taking. I'm not taking this down portion, and I will do the same thing in the right side. And I don't have those normal clipping pins, so that I'm going to use this one, right? And take a sorry clip and clip it away. We have this, so we need to damp these two strands so that we can get best. And what I have decided is that I'll keep the bangs a little bit longer only. I am not going to go very short till here. I'll keep it from the chin. And also I don't like to have like very short bangs, because jitna zyada short hoga utna zyada maintenance hoga, and I cannot maintain bangs. It's literally very irritating when it comes on my face. I am one of those people. If you are not like that, you can cut short. So now these babies are damp. Oh my god, I'm going to lose my highlights. All you have to do is to select the length what you want. I want it till here, so we are going to take it nicely with this thin comb. I'm going to take it like this, and I'm going to take 2 fingers of mine length. I will go slightly down, and then I'll cut from the top. Usually people cut it from the bottom, but I like to cut it from the top so that I can see it properly. Oh my god. Am I doing it? I did it! So after sectioning it, put it aside, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to nicely comb it now, and I'm going to take a diagonal portion of this with my fingers, and the diagonal on this side has to go like this, and then this side it has to go like this, so that you have to take care of properly. So now that I've taken the diagonal portion, I want to come to the end of this one and then take the diagonal. I don't want it to go like, and I'm going to just cut it all off from the diagonal like this. Mama. Very good. And actually this sort of diagonal has come like really properly. मेरे को इतना expectation नहीं थी खुद से, but yeah, I am a righty, so I'm just going to use my left hand only for this side. If Tere Naam would not have casted Salman Khan, I would be there in the movie, you know that. But anyway, we still need to do a little bit of more buffing. They take the scissor and they try to go in the straight motion so that it gives like a nice feathery kind of finishing to it. Otherwise, बहुत pokey और बहुत ज़्यादा, like it will not have a lot of finishing in it too. I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to go straight, sort of diagonal as well. See, so this is the portion. I'm going to go just straight. Still, if you like, you need more finishing, then you can do it again, like take it in between. I do not have the hair dryer right now. I naturally try to dry it all off. It's almost dried, so I'll show you how I style it and how it looks like. Okay, straightener to just sort of straighten up and give a nice style to these part of the hair as well.
Few moments later.
I'm going to take this strand. First I'm going to straighten it up like normally. So I'm going to take it like this and I just sort of do it backwards, okay? Once we have it all done like this, I'm going to fold it all out and I will also like do a little bit of this curl so that it matches, because my hair is like completely straight, so it might not match properly. Like I've cut it very properly. The shape and everything has come exactly how it's supposed to be. It's just that my haircut is actually very straight. That's why if I like try to swirl it all out like this, it looks a little bit different. So if I would have had like layers haircut, then it would suit very properly. Like I did a very good job. The angle and everything was very nicely done. So if I can do it, you can do it too. So if you're planning to do it, you can definitely take inspiration from this video and do it by yourself at home. Just the one thing is that when you're cutting your bangs, just take slightly more than what your length you want to take, because once you buff it all out and do a little bit of finishing, it will go more shorter and shorter. Or you can do one thing is that you cut off the bangs and then wait for 1 to 2 days so that it settles down properly, and then you know whether it's suiting your face or not. And if you want to cut them shorter, you can go shorter afterwards. I'm happy with this and I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. So do let me know down in the comment section below what else do you want to see from this channel, and I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Bye bye.